What's going on, guys? I'm back with another video, and today I'm gonna go over a little bit of technical analysis. As always, we're gonna go review S&P 500. We're gonna go over USDT dominance, and I'm gonna actually reveal a gem that I really think none of these are gonna be financial advice. Whatever I'm saying in this video, do not trade or do not go and buy this coin that I'm going to talk about later in the video, so make sure to stay tuned. Also, once I tell you about this coin, do not jump and buy this coin. I'm not asking you to buy this coin, okay? Especially right now, because I am still expecting Bitcoin to go down for the next 4 months, okay, before halving or around halving. Okay, so definitely that coin will go down too, okay? But it's still up to you if you want to buy it now or later, okay? I'm just going to tell you about this coin. All right, so make sure to like and subscribe and stick around and watch the whole entire video. This is going to be an important one, okay? So I actually, if you haven't already, go join my Telegram. And honestly, I'm not going to really keep posting in that channel that much about my trades anymore. I'm going to start a membership in my channel so you guys can join there. And it's going to be pretty soon. I'll let you guys know once I get that membership set up, okay? And so I've been posting in that Telegram group that I'm expecting Bitcoin, if it gets rejected around here. I made some lines in here, which I'm going to draw. Oops, right here. Bitcoin is very to the point that it really needs to go either above these lines or below, okay? This could be a little bit of fake out, all right? Still, I'm shorting right now around this price, actually, okay? And I put my SL $44,401. Okay, this could still get hit. Okay, so I'm not asking you to jump and trade. Okay, this is just me taking a risky trade. Okay, and most of these candles, if you guys really look, the first bodies you guys see, if you follow these candles, closed candles, you guys see this one was closed here, this one was closed around here, and this one. And I'm gonna even move this a little bit more. Okay, you guys see that Bitcoin is although made some green candles. This one got closed a little bit of, went sharp up, but it got rejected and went back down. Okay, so we could also make this line as well, because we see that the candles keep hitting this price as well. Okay, let me actually zoom a little bit more in. Okay, so let me turn this to a different color so I can just go white. Not white. Let's go blue. Okay, so this blue line, so still I am expecting to go back down around this price, around this closed red candle, a 4-hour chart, 4-hour chart, because if Bitcoin does not is not going to be able to push and go around $45,000, it needs to go back down here to get support around this area. And as I said in my shorts video today, it could still go back down and hit this white line, which Bitcoin has been hitting this line a lot. Okay, and so also I am longer term, not long term, like I am saying that eventually there's a high chance of hitting $40,000 because of that weekly close candle, which I have been mentioning before. Okay, but with this ETF hype, and we are getting closer and closer to the due date of ETF news. People are just desperately buying Bitcoin and not letting Bitcoin to go back down to even at least push around, hit this around and on this area and get a better buy support. Okay, we could still short term go back up around this 47, 48, even up to $50,000 just to hype everybody due to ETF news. Okay, I'm still expecting that Bitcoin is gonna see the same buy the rumor, sell the news event. Okay, none of these are financial advice, as I'm reminding you again. Okay, so going back to 4-hour chart. Okay, so worst case scenario, I will lose $100 or $200 if my stop loss gets hit. Okay, that's why I'm saying I'm not really just suggesting you to get into a trade. It's up to you. It's your own decision. Okay, but I'm seeing still a lot of resistance for Bitcoin. Okay, we could still go back down, get a little bit of more support, and this time push above. Okay, and these two lines, if you actually touch these two lines together, I mean, let's just make another line here. Okay, oops. Okay, not a really good line, but we are at least gonna probably go back down around here. It's still not. You gotta be careful because Bitcoin can actually just start pushing up here up to 45,000 at least, because of being in on weekends. Weekends are usually positive because of usually if you look at the history, usually weekends are positive. But for now, I am still expecting. I'm still shorting Bitcoin down to these levels. Okay, and if we go to S&P 500, the reason Bitcoin is trying to keep push above that level that it is right now because of seeing this daily candle, but you guys see that it's getting rejected and going back down because of this close candle. We might go back down to these levels, which will bring down Bitcoin with it eventually. Okay, and also USDT dominance. I see this daily gap in here. We could still go back down here, which will give a little bit of pump, which makes sense to go up to $45,000 to fill up this gap, but it doesn't necessarily have to fill it up right away. It can go up and then go back down later. Okay, so this is still a possibility. I can't talk, but still, as I've been mentioning, usually I expect to get the best support from a closed candle, which has been the lowest point around this area. So Bitcoin could still get a pump and then get a sell-off. As I'm reminding you for the new viewers, USDT dominance works the opposite. So every time it goes down, Bitcoin gets pumped. When it goes up, Bitcoin gets sell-off. Okay, so still USDT dominance is trying to see like if it's gonna get enough support around this area, and so okay, I'm gonna talk about the coin I've been telling you. So let's go to coin market cap. All right, so this coin market cap, we can Rain Games is the coin I've been watching. Actually, I bought it, but I sold it too early because I'm still as I've been saying, I'm expecting to still Bitcoin gets sell off, so this coin still can go back down to this level. So it is still a lot higher than it was before. The market cap is very low. You guys see that volume being very high, okay? And 66% of it is in the circulation. We have maximum and total and maximum supply for rain as being 1 billion, okay? Which is not that much inflation. It is still, but it doesn't really matter honestly for short, for longer term. Okay, it is, you guys can, I would recommend if you want to buy it. I do not recommend you to buy this, okay, right now, especially because if it goes back down and if you put a lot of money in this coin, you could lose more than half of your money. Okay, warning to you. So if you guys go to their Twitter, okay, they have this golden check mark. All right, they are using AI and they are gaming coin. Okay, this coin is being, actually, let's go to markets. Okay, I have made a video what I really look at before buying a coin. Okay, as one of the things that I mentioned was looking at how many central exchanges this coin is being traded on. Okay, Bybit, Bitmart, these are really good exchanges and they're big enough. Okay, you guys see most of the volume comes from HTX. Okay, and also let's go to see how many holders it has in both blockchains, Ethereum and BSC. All right, so in Ethereum there are 4,000. There is not that much yet. We can go to holders. So you guys see that this means they have burned this many quantity of this coin. Okay, the next person who is holding 15% of the supply is holding this many quantity, and this is the address. Okay, and you guys can see the rest, but this is only Ethereum. I would look at both of them, all the blockchains this coin you could be bought from. Most of the holders are if in the BSC blockchain, which that's my favorite blockchain so far, honestly. I mean, Solana is pretty great, but Solana has not been it's getting more contracts on the on the blockchain, but so far BNB has been my favorite. And you guys can see that 34% of this many the holders, the quantity has been burned too. And you guys can go all and just look at everything. You guys can see the total transfers. Okay, so to me, I do not see any red flag in this for this coin so far. Of course, there is no guarantee for any coin. you take your risk when you're buying a coin. Okay, so far I would not really recommend you to buy this coin, especially so short term. But if you really think this coin has went up to 86 cents, okay, you do the math. Even if you buy it from here, would not put more than $100 in this coin. Actually, it depends on how much you care to lose. You know, how much you don't care to lose. Actually, I would say, but this coin is still 99% down. Okay, this coin could go places. I would say. Okay, so this is another coin because you guys have been requesting a lot from me to give you some of these coins that I really look at. This is another one to keep you excited for the next ones. But as I said, I'm gonna set up my membership for YouTube, and I'm gonna have you guys join there if you want. I'm gonna talk more about the coins I'm having or planning to buy. I'm gonna post about my trades. I'm not gonna actually tell you to trade. It's not gonna be trade signal for you guys. I'm just gonna share it with you. You can look at it, you can analyze it, and if you decide to do the same thing as me, you could. Okay, so I'm not taking any responsibility for that. All right, this is going to be another video for you guys. I really thank you for you guys for supporting with your likes and comments and shares. I will come back with another video. Like and subscribe, and I will see you.